Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I'm about to show you how to delete story on TikTok. So before getting started, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version. In case if you haven't updated, then head towards the device's Play Store and then on the search box type in TikTok and tap on the update button if it is available. After updating your application, make sure to check your internet connection as well. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your TikTok application and also make sure that you're logged in into your account. So after you're logged in, next tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. So after you tap on the profile icon on the other page, you will be directed into your profile page. So after you post a story on TikTok, automatically it will be directed on your feed page. You can see that this is my story that I've uploaded recently. Now in order to delete it, all you have to do is just tap on it. So after you tap on it, this is how the interface will look. So after that, you'll have to tap on the three dot icon which is right at the bottom. So once you tap on it, there is a pop-up and right at the bottom you can see there is an option called delete. So then all you have to do is tap on delete button and right in center there is a confirmation. In case if you want to delete the story, tap on delete and here you can see that the story has been deleted. So this is how simple it is to delete a story on TikTok. So that is how you can delete a story on TikTok. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.